The last bargain. A bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. Okay? Bargain means both parties promise to do something for each other. Means one will do work and the other will pay. Okay? For the work. Someone in this poem, there is a person who is looking for work. He is waiting to be hired. He is waiting that someone please hire me. Okay, by saying this. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. At first, he fixes a bargain, means he strikes a bargain. He does a bargain with someone, okay, with king, but thinks it worthless. Okay, but he thought the this bargain is worthless. Okay, because the man does not want money. Okay, he want to be free. He tries twice again but does not like either. After that, he again tries, but this time also he not like this bargain. Okay, finally in the last bargain, when he is hired by for nothing whatever, he is happy as never before. At last, means you can say finally in the last bargain, when he is hired for nothing. Hired for nothing means he is hired for nothing, no payment. Okay, and he is happy as never before, and he was happy in the last bargain. He is so happy as he never before. Okay, means he was the most happy that day in the last bargain. Why? Because this bargain is for nothing. Okay, no payment for this bargain, and the man want this. Okay, he doesn't want any money. What he want? He want to spend the life freely. He want to be a free man. What is the bargain and why it is the best? Now, in the poem we will read what is the bargain. What is the last bargain which the poet was liking, which the man was liking, and why is it the best, and why this bargain is best according to him. Why the last bargain is the best according to the man. Okay. Now come on the poem. This poem, The Last Bargain, is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The Last Bargain poem is composed by Rabindranath Tagore, a great Indian poet and dramatist also. Okay. Now I will tell you who is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore is a great Indian poet. Understand? You all know the national anthem also written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Now, and one more important thing I will share with you. Rabindranath Tagore got the first Nobel Prize. He was the first Indian who got the Nobel Prize. Okay. Why? For his contribution towards the literature. Okay. Now listen. Rabindranath Tagore is the speaker in the poem. Okay. What he is saying, listen. He is telling about a man. This is a man. What the man is saying, come and hire me. I cried while in the morning. The man is saying, in the morning time, I cried to everyone, come and hire me. Please come and hire me. Why? Because the man want to do something. Without work, nothing we have, na? So the man wants to be hired by someone. Why? Because the man wants to be busy. He wants a work, a job for doing. Okay, but not for the payment. Otherwise, all do the job for payment, but this man not want the job for the payment. Okay, the man cried, come and hire me. When? In the morning. Okay, I was walking on the stone paved road. I was walking on this stone paved road means the road. Okay, made of stone. Again, listen. The writer, the poet, Rabindranath Tagore is saying about the man. What the man is saying, listen. The man is crying, come and hire me. Please, someone come and hire me. Why? Because I want a work. Okay, I want to be busy. And when he say, in the morning time, I was walking on the stone paved road. The man is saying, I was walking on the stone paved road. I was walking on the way, which is made of stone. Okay. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. Now, the time when the man was crying, please come and hire me, please come and hire me. Someone please hire me. Why? Because I want to be busy. Okay. The same time, the king came in his chariot. You know what is the meaning of chariot? The four-wheeled vehicle in which the king come. Okay. In Hindi you can say Rath. The same time, the king came in his chariot, taking sword in his hand. You know what is the meaning of sword? A weapon, talwar. Okay. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. And now, when the king came in his chariot and listened my voice that I was crying, come and hire me, he held my hand. Means he catch my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. Everybody knows what is the power of the king. Okay. By taking my hand, the king said, okay, I will hire you with my power. Okay, what is the king's power? He is a king. Great personality. Okay. No lack in his kingdom. So the king say, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. Now the man is saying, as the king said to me, I will hire you with my power. But according to me, his power is nothing for me. His power counted for naught. Naught means nothing. No. Okay, the man is saying the king's power is nothing for me. And he went away in his chariot. Okay, now the king left the place. Why? Because I don't want his power. I don't want to be hired by king. Okay, because the man was not greedy. Okay, he want a free life. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. And as this was a very hot day, and everybody knows in the midday, okay, the sunny rays are very hot. So in the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. Every house is shut. Means in the heat of the midday time, when there is a great hot, all houses are closed. Means if you want to see towards the houses, every house stood with shut doors. We can see the doors are shut in every house. Okay, every house's doors are shut. Why? Because nobody want to come in this hot season outside. Okay, I wandered along the crooked lane. Now the man is saying, I wandered. Wandered means go here and there without any reason. Okay, the man is saying, I wandered along the crooked lane. Crooked lane means twisted way, twisted lane, turned up lane. Okay, मुड़े हुए रास्ते में. An old man came out with his bag of gold. Now an old man came out who has a big bag of gold. Okay, you can say the rich man. He pondered and said, pondered means he thought. After listening my voice, come and hire me. He pondered. Pondered means he thought, and then he said, I will hire you with my money. What he said? I will hire you with my money. Why the man said? Because the man has more money. How? Because he has bag of gold. A person who has gold, definitely he will be rich. Okay? He weighed his coins one by one. He weighed his coins. Because there were many coins inside of his bag, gold coins. He weighed his coins. He weighted his coins one by one. Okay? Weigh means tolna, you can say. Okay? He weighed his coins one by one. But I turned away. When the old man said, The old rich man who had a gold, who has many golds coins in his bag, he weighed his coins and he say, I will hire you with my money. Okay. आफ्टर दैट ही वेस्ड हिज कॉइन्स वन बाय वन, एक एक करके उसने, यू कैन से एक एक करके उसने अपने कॉइन्स को का वेट लिया, ओके, उसको नाप तोल किया. बट आई टर्न अवे एंड द मैन इज सिंग बट आई लेफ्ट द प्लेस, आई टर्न अवे, वाई, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट ग्रीडी. ओके, आई डू नॉट like money, I do not want money. Okay, so I left the place, means second bargain also I not like. Now it was evening, the garden has was all a flower. Now it was a evening time, the garden has, what is the meaning of garden has? Okay, the garden is covered with wire, that is called hedge. Okay, it was evening now, the garden haze was all a flower. There was a lot of flowers in the garden. Okay.